Hey everybody, it's Marguerite. I just want to say thank you for watching our videos. Thank you if you've subscribed to our channel. We really appreciate it. You know, drop us comments below, like our videos, help tell us, what we're doing right, what we can do better. We really created this channel because John can fix anything. And we come from a family of just fixers and do-it-yourselfers. And so we're expanding this channel to help you in all aspects of just living in your home or your apartment. There's a lot of things that you can tackle yourself. Maybe you just need the confidence. Maybe you just need a little bit more information about what could be going wrong or how you can address the problem. Or, you know what, you're not comfortable in the kitchen, you're not comfortable cooking. Oh my God, it's so easy to do. Find what you like, test out some seasonings, and just start to experiment in your own kitchen. So, this channel is really gonna be all about, how do you do things yourself, no matter what it is, because A, it gives you a sense of accomplishment, B, it's gonna save you money, and that's what it's all about, especially in today's just times. We're all looking for ways to stay healthy, get a job done right, and not pay through the nose for it, so that we've got money to spend on other things that bring us pleasure. So thanks again. Please hit that subscribe button. Please leave us comments and tell us what you're looking for. We're always fixing something, we're always making something, so we're happy to just continue to make these videos for you.